Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step card tutorial for beginners. It's one of the easiest website builders available today. If you've ever wanted to create a professional looking website but felt overwhelmed by complicated builders, coding, or expensive subscriptions, then this tutorial is for you. Many website builders include dozens of menus, advanced customization options, and technical settings that can be confusing for beginners. If all you need is a clean landing page, portfolio, personal website, or business page, those complicated tools often become more frustrating than helpful. That's exactly where Card stands out. Card is a lightweight, no-code website builder that allows anyone to create beautiful one-page websites in just a short amount of time. Whether you're building a personal profile, a portfolio, an online resume, a product landing page, an event page, or even a simple business website, Card provides everything you need without requiring any coding knowledge. So let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Card website. Once you're on the home page, you'll immediately notice its clean and minimal interface. Unlike many website builders that ask for payment information before letting you explore, Card keeps everything simple and beginner friendly. To create your account, click the Sign Up button. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. If available, you can also choose to continue using your Google account for a faster sign up process. After submitting your information, Card may send you a verification email. Open your inbox, click the verification link, and return to Card. Once your account is verified, log into your dashboard. If this is your first time using Card, your dashboard will look mostly empty, and that's completely normal. As you begin creating websites, this page will automatically display all of your saved projects, making them easy to access later. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find a very simple navigation menu. Instead of dozens of confusing options, Card only provides a few essential sections like New Site, Account, and Logout. This clean layout is one of the reasons so many beginners enjoy using Card. Everything is organized, uncluttered, and easy to understand, allowing you to focus entirely on building your website instead of figuring out how the platform works. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the option to create your very first website. In the next part, we'll choose a template, explore the different categories available, and begin customizing our first Card website from scratch. Now that your account is set up, it's time to create your first website. From the Card dashboard, click New Site. This is where your website building journey begins. As soon as you click it, Card presents a large collection of professionally designed templates. One thing you'll immediately notice is how well organized the templates are. Instead of showing hundreds of random designs, Card groups them into categories such as profile, landing page, portfolio, form, and sectioned websites. If you're creating a personal website with your photo, social media links, and contact information, the profile templates are an excellent choice. If you're promoting a product, service, or business, the landing page templates are designed specifically for converting visitors into customers. For freelancers, designers, photographers, and creators, the portfolio templates provide a clean way to showcase work and projects. And if you'd rather build everything yourself, Card also provides a blank page option where you can start completely from scratch. For this tutorial, let's select a template. Browse through the available designs and click on one that you like. Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect template because everything can be customized later. After selecting a template, Card will automatically open the website editor. This is where the real magic happens. At first glance, you'll notice the website preview displayed in the center of the screen. This preview updates in real time as you make changes, allowing you to immediately see what your visitors will see. Unlike traditional website builders that separate editing and preview modes, Card keeps everything visible in one place. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a panel containing all the elements currently used on your page. Think of these elements as building blocks. Every piece of content on your website, whether it's a heading, image, button, form, or icon, is considered an element. To edit any element, simply click on it. For example, click on a text heading. A settings panel will appear where you can change the text, adjust the font style, modify the font size, update colors, and control alignment. Replace the default text with your own content. Maybe you want to add your name, your business title, or a short description of your services. As you type, you'll instantly see the changes reflected on the page. Next, let's customize an image. Click on any existing image within the template. You'll see options to upload your own image directly from your computer. This is perfect for profile photos, logos, portfolio images, or product pictures. After uploading an image, Card automatically adjusts it to fit within the design. You can further control sizing, positioning, and appearance using the settings panel. Another useful feature is changing the page background. Click on the background area of your website. You'll be able to choose a solid color, upload a custom image, or even apply a gradient background. Spend a few minutes experimenting with different styles until you find a look that matches your personal brand or business. Now that we've customized our template, let's start adding new content to make the website more useful and interactive. At the bottom of the editor, you'll notice a small plus icon. This is one of the most important buttons in Card because it allows you to add new elements to your website. Click the plus icon and you'll see a menu containing different elements you can insert. These include text, image, gallery, button, video, icons, divider, timer, and even embed or custom code for advanced users. Let's begin by adding a button. Click Button and Card immediately places it onto your page. Select the button, then change the button text to something like Contact Me, Click, or Get Started. Next, you'll want to make the button actually do something. Under the URL field, enter the destination link. You can also customize the button's appearance by changing its background color, border style, corner radius, size, and alignment. Next, let's add a video. Click the plus icon again and choose Video. Instead of uploading a large video file, Card allows you to simply paste a YouTube. Once you paste the URL, the video automatically appears on your page. One of Card's biggest advantages is that every website is fully responsive by default. This means your site automatically adjusts to desktops, tablets, and smartphones without requiring extra work. Before publishing, take a few minutes to review every section of your page. I hope this tutorial helped you get started with Card. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.